ORICO has done a fantastic job at providing innovative and practical solutions for consumers' needs. They have developed thousands of products such as USB storage, expansion, power strips, charging, digital accessories, and quality peripherals. That's where this guy comes in. This is the ORICO UFSD USB 3.2 high-speed flash drive. With abilities like being able to experience 411 MB per second read speeds and 353 MB per second write speeds, you're not only getting double the efficiency and fewer wait times, but also great storage of up to 512 GB. At its current asking price, this is bound to be a steal. So let's unbox this guy and see what you get. This particular USB-C drive flaunts a sleek metal casing that exudes elegance and sophistication. This design prioritizes consumer reliability and functionality, making it a high-end device that is definitely worth contemplating. The construction itself is compact and convenient, fitting perfectly in your pocket or purse for hassle-free portability. Moreover, the end of the flash drive comes equipped with a loop that can be effortlessly attached to a lanyard, ensuring that you carry it around with ease without the fear of misplacing it. I can't deny the USB flash drive is designed with superior craftsmanship, utilizing top-grade materials on the exterior for maximum durability and protection against accidental drops or simple impacts. So with this one you should get some extended lifespan, certainly outlasting other comparable items and instilling you with greater peace of mind. Regarding the performance aspect, I must say that this device stands out from the crowd. It employs the latest USB 3.2 Gen 1 standard, which is known for its ability to enhance read and write speeds drastically. This means that you won't need to compromise on either performance or reliability. This flash drive provides you with the best of both worlds. You can expect a speedy and robust performance from this device that is sure to leave you somewhat satisfied. As we discussed earlier, you can opt to expand the storage capacity of up to 512 GB. Nonetheless, I have decided to settle with a 256 GB storage capacity since it already satisfies my requirements. Rest assured though that the option to maximize your storage is within reach if deemed necessary. With regards to the connection ports, you have the liberty to select between the usual USB-A or the more advanced USB-C, which I would definitely recommend. Obviously with USB-C we are getting a drastic improvement in overall writing speeds, so let's just see how fast this thing is. It is completely plug and play with no drivers needed. You have full compatibility with multiple platforms like Apple, Microsoft, and even your smartphones that utilize a USB-C port. In terms of moving a 1GB file in real time, well, let's see just how fast it takes. And just like that, literally less than 3 seconds. If we take a look at an extensive review of the actual speeds, you can see that although I couldn't max this drive out to its full potential of the promised 411 MB as advertised, I still managed to get very close. I can't deny these are all pretty impressive, making it a great go-to for more than just external storage. This can easily support 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and if you're like me and work with Final Cut Pro, you could easily work directly off the pen drive itself, freeing up storage on your laptop. The performance is very impressive. All in all, this USB drive embodies a superior build quality that not only stops there. The read and write speeds are very impressive for something in this price range. I can't deny that latest USB 3.2 Gen technology allows enhanced read and write speeds that go beyond anything else in this price range. Granted, there are faster options on the market, but a lot of them don't come anywhere near this price. With that said, be sure to check ORICO out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.